22, matatapos yung 17th Congress na hindi na ito papasa?
With kasi I can see very little support from our colleagues on this. I'm just telling the truth. You know me, I tell you guys the truth about what I'm feeling all the time. So, and then I see very little support of this. It will be, we have very little time left. We have 1 month to go for the December break. And after the December break, we have 1 month to go for the campaign period. Bale, babalik tayo January 2nd week. Tatapos tayo ng Valentine's of February. Eh, alam mo naman, like what happened in Train 1, gaano katagal namin diniscuss yung Train 1? Umabot ng 1 taon yan. So, lalo na ito, na napakaraming contentious issues. For example, the opposition of almost all the chambers of commerce on this issue, and lack of support from our colleagues in the Senate on this issue. It will be very difficult to push for it.